Welcome back to my channel. The challenge is simple. Look at the two pictures and spot the difference. You get 5 seconds for each puzzles. There are 6 puzzles for you. Are you ready? Yes, let's go. Round 1. Let's check the answer. Round 2. Let's check the answer. Round 3. Let's check the answer. Round 4. Let's check the answer. Round 5. Let's check the answer. Final round. Let's check the answer. Comment down below how many of them did you get right. See you in next video.